If you're thinking about screening in your patio, you've probably already looked at two options. A permanent screen enclosure, aluminum frame, fixed panels, $15,000 to $40,000, and a building permit. Or one of those DIY screen curtain kits that'll survive about one windy weekend before it ends up in the trash. There's a third option most people don't find until they've already gotten 3 quotes for a permanent enclosure. Motorized retractable patio screens mount above your opening and deploy at the push of a button through sealed side tracks that lock the fabric in place. Bugs can't get in, wind can't get behind it, and when you don't need them, everything disappears into a housing that's about 4.5 inches tall. From the street, you'd never know it was there. That's the difference. A permanent enclosure means you're always looking through mesh, even on a perfect evening when there's not a mosquito in sight. Retractable screens give you the choice. Protection when you want it. Wide open patio when you don't. 20-year fabric warranty. 20-year motor warranty. Professionally measured, custom built, and installed by the same people who manufactured it. No middlemen. That's been the Apollo way for over 20 years. And nearly 50,000 installations later, it still is.